We see us as a technology partner for the Volkswagen Group. So this means we are working on the one hand side to support with the right products to enable the transformation to electromobility, as well as to help the customer to reduce weight in their cars, which is also then more efficient for fuel or energy consumption. On our in-house production, we are focusing on green energy, as well as that we are trying to use recycled raw material for our products. And we're working on processes which are reducing the level and amount of energy we need to implement in our own processes for manufacturing. We try to support as a technology partner, bringing as much innovative products as possible to the market. This may also support the transformation from Volkswagen from the combustion to the electromobility. We want to support in the battery technologies with all our product range in order to make this more efficient, long-lasting. And we had the pleasure to welcome many of our Volkswagen contacts already on the booth, and we are happy to showcase all the innovative products which we are able to present to our booth, from the assembly processes, from the welding and body-in-white fixations, on casted material, on plastics, on metal, and with all the world of fastening products we have.